just give us this fine, clean look. When I mean shaven, I mean both outside and inside. Some men, they don't even have families that appreciate them enough. Take out time, 1 or 2 days to shut out the noise from the world and just laser in, focus on yourself. Those boxers that already have holes and this the singlet that is now brownish in color, please, it is long overdue. This video is dedicated to all the men out there who feel overwhelmed, engulfed with the situation and circumstances of life. I would like to use this video to appreciate every one of you for your love, for your support. Additionally, I've been opportune to speak with some men who are carrying a lot of responsibility, are shouldering a lot of things, and over the years or along while all these things were happening, they sort of are not feeling themselves. They felt lost, neglected. They neglected themselves along the way. So this video is specially for you men out there. I want to use this video to pamper you because you deserve to be pampered. So let's get this video started. Let's talk about appearance. For appearance, I'll talk about skincare. I know a lot of men are not big on skincare. They are minimalist in a lot of things. But I would say, please don't just only use soap and water. Some people don't even use soap. Once they are in the bathroom, they're out in seconds. They don't even have time to cream their body, which is not good looking at the future terms. So please, even if you're not big on using cream, ensure you oil and nourish your skin with natural oils like shea butter, coconut oil, palm kernel oil. Just ensure you nourish your skin. We need you to look good when you are getting old. Number two, let's talk about clothing. Please, please, please. Those boxers that already have holes and this the singlet that is now brownish in color, please, it is long overdue. Please try to change them. Most times you don't even have time to check whether your boxers have all these things. You are just busy with hustle, trying to feed your family, trying to ensure that money comes in, the children are in school, and these things happen. So please try to change them. Yes, please. Next, let's talk about smell. Please, man, we like you to smell nice. No, not even we. Please smell nice for yourself. It not only boosts your confidence, it also leaves this positive impact or positive atmosphere whenever you're around. So number next, let's talk about grooming. Please groom, ensure you do proper shaving and groom. When I mean shaving, I mean both outside and inside. Ensure you take good care of yourself, time for yourself at least once in a week. Just give us this fine, clean look. We are having a lot of beards. Ensure that they are well trimmed and you look good. You don't look like the situation you are like the whole world is on top of your head. You know that you are really going through a lot, but please try and groom, go to the proper place, shave. And once you shave, please ensure you use all this aftershave. We don't want you having those bumps. We want to take care of you. I told you this video, I want to pamper you. Ensure you have time to rub those aftershave on your ears. We don't want you having bumps. Is it bumps or how do they call it? So once you are done shaving, use those aftershave that contain alcohol. There are some that don't really contain alcohol. Maybe if you have sensitive skin, ensure you rub your head, your skin. Make sure that you don't have bumps. Is it bumps or you just don't have rashes? Go down there. Ensure that you don't have rashes down there. I think we're done with this appearance part right now. Next, let's go to the spiritual well-being. It is alarming to see that when you go to churches, the people topping the list are women. And sometimes I wonder that we are the men. Men are busy and life has naturally conditioned men to be that way. And it's not your fault. But please, I would like to say, fathers, brothers, son, please take your priest role important. We need you to ensure that your vision is always clear. We need you because a lot of nations are depending on you. The world, I'm even going far, your family is depending on you. So we need you to ensure that your spiritual well-being is at you are alive spiritually. You hear from God, whether you're a Muslim, atheist, or you don't ensure that you're spiritually alive, that your spirit is alive, to hear from God, to know the next step to take, to know when to move, to know when to leave your country, to know how to take care of your children, how to properly care for the home. So please, dear men, I won't say a lot of men don't pray. I don't want to believe that in quotes. So please, dear men, try to pray to God. Try to have time to pray to God, the maker of your life, the one that gave you the power to be alive, the power to make that world you currently are. So next, let's talk about rest and relaxation. It's still the same. Yes, let's talk about rest and relaxation. One, take rest. Please take out time, 1 or 2 days, to shut out the noise from the world and just laser in, focus on yourself. If it means you just go into a quiet place for 2 days, or go somewhere that you know that you just have this sanity for like 2 days, you need it, please. You need it. Just ensure you just go there and rest and sleep. You deserve it, please. We want you to live long, to reap the fruit of your labor. We don't want when you are getting old, you are all worn out, stressed. Yes. Next, exercise. Try to exercise. Exercise help not only your physical well-being, it also helps your mental well-being. We are not saying that you should have six packs, right? But at least just look groomed, look healthy. Just look healthy, be healthy. Ensure that you exercise, you take walk, you. We're not saying lift 500 kgs. No, just look good, look healthy, and this see, this is not part of what I'm supposed to say, but please, our men, our daddies in the house, please work on it. If it's alcohol that's making that tummy protrude, please reduce the consumption of alcohol, right? Just please, that's from me, it's not part of this, but anyway, just work on that aspect. We want you to be healthy all around. We want you to be fine, to be okay all around. So do well to exercise. Last note I'll leave that, ensure you take time to meditate. All this hustle and bustle, ensure you still have time to reflect in yourself, have time to think about what are you going to do for the future for yourself, what are your own goal for yourself. You know, most times men naturally tend to forget about even having their own aspiration and goals for their life, because they are consumed with responsibility, taking care of the home, taking care of their parents, taking care of their siblings, just shouldering a lot of responsibility. So please, we still want you to take time to meditate. What you want to do for yourself? You want to travel? What are those things you've always loved to do? Please still do it. Please still find a way to make yourself happy. I'll be rounding this video here. Don't forget, we want you to, or I want you, your family, if some men, they don't even have families that appreciate them enough. They have families that no matter what they do, they have wives that no matter what they do, they are not grateful for nothing. They have children that no matter what they do, they are not grateful for anything. But the aim of this video is just to let you know that please take care of your spiritual, physical, and mental well-being. It's not just about you looking good, it's about you feeling good. And taking care of yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please go out to like, share, and subscribe, and check the link in the description box to enroll for the French course and to buy other courses. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.